Hey there, friends. Today, I want to share with you some natural ways to boost your confidence for machine learning success. First and foremost, remember to celebrate your progress. Every small step forward is a victory, so take the time to acknowledge and appreciate how far you've come. This positive reinforcement will help build your confidence and keep you motivated. Next, surround yourself with a supportive community. Whether it's joining online forums, attending meetups, or connecting with like-minded individuals on social media, having a strong support system can make all the difference in your journey towards mastering machine learning. In conclusion, by celebrating your progress and surrounding yourself with a supportive community, you can naturally boost your confidence for machine learning success. Remember, you've got this. Uplifting ending sentence: keep learning, keep growing, and always believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving great things in the world of machine learning. Go out there and make it happen. Hey there, friends. Today, we are going to witness something truly amazing as we watch ChatGPT learn discipline in real time. Get ready to be blown away. First off, we can see ChatGPT exhibiting a remarkable level of focus and dedication. It's staying on track and not getting distracted by irrelevant information. This level of self-control is truly impressive. Moving on, ChatGPT is also showcasing great patience. It's taking its time to process information and provide thoughtful responses, even in the face of challenging questions. This kind of mental discipline is key to its growth and development. What a transformation we've witnessed today. ChatGPT has truly mastered the art.
Hey there, friends. Ever wonder what the future holds for self-driving cars? Let's dive in and explore how we can ensure success every step of the way. First up, it's crucial for companies to invest in cutting-edge technology to ensure the safety and efficiency of self-driving cars. From advanced sensors to artificial intelligence, staying ahead of the curve is key to success. Next, collaboration is key. Companies, regulators, and consumers must work together to create a seamless transition to a world of self-driving cars. Ensuring that everyone is on the same page and addressing concerns is essential for widespread adoption. So, let's embrace the future of self-driving cars with open arms and work together to pave the way for a safer and more efficient transportation system. The possibilities are endless, and success is within reach. Let's make it happen. Uplifting ending sentence: here's to a future where self-driving cars